making the time today. Welcome home to our event call for this afternoon. And I'm really happy also the weather is cooperating, so we even have a beautiful garden set up later that you can enjoy for photo opportunities. But first of all, I wanted to share with you the purpose for us, of course, gathering here today. And we're here to share the milestones of home credit. I think the last time we saw each other was last year, and we've made a lot of progress since then. And I won't talk about the numbers now, but the numbers are less important than what they symbolize. They actually symbolize the dreams that were realized, the progress that was achieved, and all the opportunities that have been made possible for Filipinos and their families. So that's an amazing thing, I think, that you'll be hearing about later on. But of course, today as well, as mentioned earlier, we will be holding our first inaugural Media Awards. So all of this really would not have been possible without you, our valued media partners, who have been helping us